How to hack Snapchat account. If you want to know how the hacker hacked the Snapchat account, then I'll show you the way. So this video is only for the educational purposes. Don't misunderstand the video or don't misuse the video. So you can open up your Snapchat application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now the first way that hackers hack Snapchat account is known as phishing. So what is phishing? If someone sends you a link, a kind of link, and if you tap on that link, then it will take you to the Snapchat login page. And others will think that it's the Snapchat login page as the official page, right? But it's not the official page. It's the page which hacker has created for you to enter all of your information. So once you've logged into that hacker's login page, which was seem like the Snapchat's login official login page, then it will have all of the information of your username, email, and the phone number and your password. And once it gets all of the information, then it will log into your account and they will hack your account. So that's the first way of phishing. So the number two is also a type of phishing link, but the hacker sends you a link, and as soon as you click on that link, your Snapchat and even other social media accounts get hacked because there are scripts at the back of the link or at the end of the link which enter into your mobile or computer, which steal your password and other sensitive information. And this is how the hackers hack your Snapchat account using another type of phishing. And the third type of phishing is the one in which the hacker somehow gains access to your email or phone number, and when he goes for forgot password on any kind of page, there you will have two options, right? So if you go to your profile, and if you tap on the forgot password option here, you will have two kind of interface where you can choose your phone or your email. So if the hacker has any of your information like your phone number or email, then he will just simply go for forgot your password session and he will enter your phone number or he enters your email address, and a link will be sent to your phone or email to reset your password, and in this way your Snapchat account gets hacked. So that's when you have given access to your phone or email. So that's about hacking. And if you want to recover your Snapchat account that has been hacked, then what you can do is you can simply go for a browser. So I'll be choosing a Chrome browser. And once you're in the Chrome browser, you can simply search for my Snapchat account was hacked. Once you've searched for my Snapchat account was hacked, it will take you to this kind of page. Tap on my account was compromised, which is on the first, and then tap on support or contact support here, and it will take you to submit a request page. Here you can simply go for the first option, which is I think my account was compromised, and then you can simply choose yes or no. And once you've chosen, you can scroll down, and here you will have this kind of interface where you need to enter your username and then the email address and the phone number or your mobile number, and under the description you need to write that hi, I woke up this morning and I wasn't able to log into my Snapchat account. My email, phone number, and password have been changed and I'm not being able to log in. So kindly check my login history and let me get into my Snapchat account. So once you've written the description, simply tap on submit and you will get your Snapchat account back within 24 hours or within 2 days. So that's it. That's how you can hack a Snapchat account, or that's how you can recover a hacked Snapchat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.